When the drive belt came off my 6-month-old Mountfield SP164 mower, I was pretty fed up having caused it by getting some pampas grass wrapped round underneath, and I thought it'd be easy to find out how to fix it. But when you look under it, it's not at all clear, and Mr. Google amazingly didn't help either. And Mountfield Mowers sent a manual that related to a different mower. So I eventually worked it out and thought I would do my wee bit to help anybody else stuck in the same position, because it's a great mower, and I was really fed up when I managed to break it. But it's fixed now. This is the drive box down here. So when the belt becomes disengaged, you have to undo the blade and also this pulley, then undo this chap here, and the one on the other side here, and then pull the axle out enough to feed the belt down through here and engage it on the pulley on the back of the drive belt. Then reinstall the rear axle, pick up the belt and loop it back over the drive shaft, replace the pulley and feed the belt back on here.